Tesla could be a $2 trillion company in just 1 or 2 years, says top Wall Street analyst who's likely owns some Tesla stock himself. I don't know. Say something like that. Maybe not. It's just, I'm just, again, speculating. It's part of the show. Got to put that out there. Tesla been on its historic run. We've covered it. Currently trading above $800. It was $844 at the time of this article being written. And it's up from the equivalent of $100 per share just a year ago. Wow, that's ridiculous. Look at you getting the ads for the Nike Air Max Speed Turf. That's hilarious.
Well, the story
from the previous story the other day. That's so funny. They think you want to buy. Like that goes to show you, we're concerned with the AI, but on this one, although I don't know, maybe you're considering those. Well,
Yeah.
Top Wall Street analyst Daniel Ives of Wedbush says that it could only be the beginning of Tesla's stock rise. He sees it rising over $1.5 trillion in the next year or two. And he's particularly bullish on Tesla because of China. He feels like it's hard to break into the Chinese market and have success. China is the world's biggest automotive market. Well, I don't know if that's in terms of overall dollar value or total number of vehicles, whatever. It's huge. And historically, a lot of American companies haven't been or just international companies haven't been able to jump into China and outpace or displace the domestic companies, the Chinese companies. And there's like 15 of them in China already, including one of the stories today of another one launching. So if they've been able to sell cars there and that customer is into it, and we recently reported how they're looking for a new designer to design a car specifically for the Chinese market, then maybe it's untapped. Maybe they can go even bigger with it and better with it.
Yeah, well, they have the infrastructure there. They have the Shanghai factory.
Shanghai Gigafactory. So I don't know. I mean, 1.5 to 2 trillion. Who knows what to say about Tesla at this point? I mean, keeps climbing. So